Hello guys, what is up? It is Aditya and today I have the AK-47 made out of Lego and I just now for the first time made in real life. So I'm actually really happy with the way this AK turned out. So this is the model which I made within 3 hours. So let's start the video. Moving from the front, we have the front iron sights which look really cool. The slopings are really nice to made and I designed it in very nice way. So this is the front iron sight and here we have the muzzle brake that really looks nice the way I designed, and here is the barrel which is really long, and here we have the gas piston which is connected to the barrel, and that way on we have the hand grip which is really comfortable to use. The way I designed is the upper slopings which are really cool, and here we have the rear iron sights which are really cool. I used some tile pieces here to make this one, otherwise it looks very cool to use. The handguard is really comfortable. Moving from the back, we have the cartridge area where the magazine rolls out. Here we have the rocking and locking magazine. It is really curved in a way that AK-47 have. That's really cool. I used some taping here to make it very hard. Let's reload it. After reloading, it looks very cool. Here we have the grip, which is really cool. I tried to make the real one but I can't. Oops, that fall out. Moving toward the behind, we have the charging handle and the safety bar. The safety bar actually works in this way. This is safety, this is single fire and this is full auto. The safety also works like this. When you use safety, the bolt can't go, and when we remove that, the bolt can go further toward the back fully. So this is the way it works. Overall this gun is really comfortable and really cool. Here we have the magazine area, which is some gaps there. Here we have the heaviest part, the stock, which is really hard to use. I added some slopings because I don't have those type of pieces, so I tried to make in this one. And we have the cheek rest over there, which is really comfortable to use. Overall this stock is very heavy. Let's reload the gun. Reloading feels like I can reload a real gun. Overall this gun is really cool. I like the way I made, and here is the iron sights view, which looks like a real one. As you can see in the pic, it looks like a real one. It's pretty interesting and cool. Overall it feels like a game in this video. I made these railings for this scope, as you can see in the upcoming video. Here I attached this scope which is holographic sight. You can view this scope too. Let's view the scope. From the top you can view the scope like this. This really looks like a real one. From the behind it will look like leak. The charging handle is very hard and very frictional. This gun is very heavy. You can peek also from this gun. Overall this scope is very unique. So guys, how you like the gun? Let me show your thoughts in the comments, and request your guns I will make it in future. So bye bye, thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.